MOLLE 2 DCU enhanced shoulder strap assembly, strong 4-strap and buckle frame attachment, weight is easily adjusted from back to hips, large padded back panel, 2-inch wide support strap, adjustable straps, shoulder pads, quick ditch strap connectors, new.
Government Liquidation, the world's online marketplace for U.S. government surplus and scrap property. With thousands of military surplus items added weekly to our inventory, GL offers surplus buyers a unique and dynamic pool of property for purchase and resale.